Today, I'm going to talk about the vowel sounds E and O. So the vowels in Portuguese, we pronounce A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Today, I'm going to talk about E and O when they appear in unstressed syllables. When this happens, the letter or the vowel E has a E sound, and the vowel O has a U sound. E, I, O, U. Let's see. The vowel U has the same sound as the letter W in want, what. So, U. The letter E has the same sound here as in beach. Seat is a long E. Here I have some words to show you with examples. In parentheses, we have the translation. Comigo. Comigo. As you can see, the vowel O has a U sound. Comigo. Comigo. Sometimes in daily speech, some people will also pronounce this O as U. Since the stressed syllable is me, so we say comigo. The stressed part is me. Co and go is unstressed. So that's why the vowel O can be pronounced as the vowel U. Comigo or comigo. Gu, U. Dinheiro. 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 U. Tempo. 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 Como. 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 Todo. 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 Trabalho. 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 U. Now let's see I. Iniciante. Iniciante. As you can see, the vowel E has a E sound because it is unstressed. Ele, ele, ele. I. Cidade, cidade. E has the same sound as I. Cidade. Sorriso, sorriso. In this case, it's just for you to recognize the E sound. Nome, nome. nome, noite, noite, noite. So the vowel E has a E sound. So it's like you're saying with E here, but the proper writing is with the letter E. E, 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 E. All of them are pronounced as E. Have exceptions. When the last syllable is stressed, or the syllable is stressed, as I've told you before. Judô, judô. This part is stressed. That's why we do not pronounce O as the vowel U, because it's stressed. Porque, porque. E, not E, because it's stressed. Filé, filé, stressed. Avó, avó, stressed. Buquê, 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 stressed. Chulé, 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 stressed. I hope you like it. If you enjoyed this channel, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to learn Brazilian Portuguese with me.